day everyone, we are a group 8 and today we will present our packaging prototype and the result from the isolation, comprehension, and draft test. For our design, we use a cropped carton box with a built-in handle for easy carrying and a clear window for product visibility. We added red gem borders and white ribbon to enhance its presentation. The box is eco-friendly, lightweight, and provides good protection for the item inside. For the thermal isolation test, we place 100 ml of 60 Celsius water inside the packaging and observed that the double-layer cardboard enclosed design slowed down heat loss. This showed that the packaging can provide basic short-term heat retention from warm pâtisseries or baked goods. For the comprehension test, we placed weight on top of our box until it started to deform. Our packaging was able to hold 4.5 kilograms before showing noticeable collapse. This means that even though it's lightweight, it still has good structural strength for its size. After we place 100 ml water inside the box, and we perform drop tests from 0.5 meters, 1 meters, and 1.5 meters. After all 3 drops that the box did not break, crack, or leak, and the handle remained attached. This proves that our design can withstand movement and handling during transport. Overall, our packaging is strong, visually appealing, eco-friendly, and functional. This project helps us understand how material choice, structure, and design elements affect the performance of packaging in real situations.